Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to share something a little bit unrelated to the usual focus of this channel. However, it is interesting enough to discuss. Lately, I have been geeking out over advancement in AI technology, especially in the realm of video and image generation. This is because there are some really mind-blowing new tools out there, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. So, when I received an invitation to try out a closed beta of an AI video creator called Pika Labs, I admit I got a little excited. I mean, who wouldn't want to get their hands on some cutting-edge AI to see what it can do? The inner child in me was ready to have some fun. After joining the Discord server, I started exploring the videos others have created with Pika Labs. Now I knew going in that this tool was still an early beta product, so perfection wasn't expected. But even with some glitches here and there, I could see the huge potential in this technology. There were intricate animations, unique characters, and imaginative scenes, all generated automatically from text prompts or images. It provides a glimpse into the future of AI-assisted video production. And of course, I wasn't just here to watch other people's creations. It was time to test out Pika for myself. So, let's talk about how Pika Labs works. While you can generate videos of any of their servers, for me it is better to communicate with the bot on my private server. And this is quite simple to do. Simply navigate to the upper right corner where you will find the member list. Look for the Pika bot there. Now, right-click on the bot and choose the message option. This way you can directly messaging the Pika bot in Discord. So, to generate videos, you need to understand that Pika Labs offers two ways to generate videos: create and animate. For create, you simply type a text prompt describing a video concept and Pika renders it for you. However, I found that I got better results when I used the Animate feature, which lets you upload an image to animate. But let's take a closer look at the first, create option. To use the tool, simply type a / on your keyboard and select the create option. In the text box, enter your text prompt and press enter. I have prepared a simple text prompt and this is what I get. As you can see, the result is not the best. That is why I like to use the animate option. To proceed, once again, type a / on your keyboard, but this time select the animate option. In the next step, you will need to upload an image from your computer and then simply press the enter key. In a few seconds, the tool transforms still images into short, 3-second video clips. I have to say that Pika did a fantastic job capturing the essence of my images while injecting some original animation. Just take a look at some examples. So, the question is, were these videos flawless? Not quite. I noticed some visual glitches here and there, and a few clips didn't match my prompt perfectly either. But remember, this is still an early beta product. Even with the rough edges, I was truly impressed with what Pika could produce. And once you have created videos you like, you can easily download them right from Discord as MP4 files. Now I have got a collection of fun and animated clips generated with the power of AI. It was quick and simple to make them too. So, what's my verdict after testing out Pika Labs? Well, I think they are onto something very cool here. Being able to generate custom video animations with AI is an ability that used to be limited to professional studios, but Pika makes it accessible to anyone with a bit of creativity. While the technology still needs refinement before going mainstream, I'm blown away that this is even possible today. And just imagine where we'll be in 5 or 10 years. In my opinion, Pika Labs provides an exciting glimpse into that future. Even in its early stages, it shows enormous potential to empower creators, businesses, and everyday users. And I, for one, can't wait to see how this technology evolves. So tell me, does Pika Labs sounds like something you would have fun testing out? And have you tried any other AI video generation tools before? Let me know your thoughts. I'm always down to chat about cool technology.